कि khubor ka bate si TV. Wanrah shapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Lahandrus namkin thi ke executive committee jong Jhadc Hills Autonomous District Council hapo ke jong lam uba thombo shiwat kumu chief executive member kla Wanrah ek Mang Tyngka ke Duna Pisa na kadaw jong Jingkhang ti Dewïong ke Ktah ek Tyngka jong council kumbanju pin kan mau hangni baga executive committee brayalam duba shiwat kla Wanrah ek Mang Tyngka ke Duna ne ke deficit budget host nem araja ka khandai araja arpo we araja arpuar but araja arpulai Bana kadaw bla penjela ne ka pot rekam jugi MDC sahandru benai mentau ba shiwat ulayo la Wanrah biang ya ka Mang Tyngka ka bahandru bat ka taru ka Duna Pisa. Habu Wanrah ka Mang Tyngka ne ka bentau snam arajar pusau arajar pusan hasngi sedang juga dorban Mang Tyngka uba shiwat ulayo thu ka jungyo Pisa ka bala syuken antat Kalong ars pa sau klur hendru pulai lak arpulai hajar sanspa kat ba ka jingpulut Pisa ka syuken antat Kalau arspa khat praklur, arpu arlak, ndrupo hajar lai spa, berkumta ke Mang Tyngka kalong Duna Pisa, hadu khat lai klur san bukan lak, lai pun driu hajar praspa. Ulayat hu ke yok lum khajina negi jinan jing juga council, kalong arpu kendai klur lai pu pralak, arpu lai hajar praspa, bana ke bahak ling baga khajina ke sorkar, kalong kendai pu hinyo klur san paulak, bagi rap Pisa ling baga sorkar, kalong hinyo pu hinyo klur, hinyo pu saulak kendai hajar hinyo spa.
The estimated receipt and expenditure of the Jhadc Hills District Council for the ensuing fiscal year 2024-25, which are to be credited to or is to be made from the district fund of the District Council as laid down in Rule 109 of the Assam and Meghalaya District. Constitution of the District Council Rule 91 as adopted and amended by this District Council. At the very outset, before the August House deliberate the proposed budget, I'd like to draw the attention of the honourable member to the actual receipt of the Council from all sources in the financial year 22-23, which was rupees 130 crore 62 lakh 46,060 crore only against the total expenditure of rupees 117 crore 81 lakh 88,185 only. The deficit of the whole crore 19 lakh 42,121 only was made from surplus of previous year. The detail of the actual receipt and expenditures may be verified from the actual column of the 22-23 show in the budget. With regard to the current financial year 23-24, the executive committee, through its continuous effort, received of rupees 46 crore 60 lakh 70,500 only from major mineral and 13 crore 96 lakh 86,519 only from minor mineral. Whereas from taxes on motor vehicles, an amount of rupees 14 crore 50 lakh 90,319 only have received till date. The share of revenue released by the state government along with other revenue received of this council have been utilized for payment of the pending salary of the members, employees, pensioners of our council Besides, fundable of the temporary loan taken from civil war department and other unavoidable contingencies expenditure incurred by the bill. It may be mentioned that during the financial year 2023-24, is rupees 17 lakhs only has been received from land reform scheme, whereas from the central sponsorship, this council is expected to receive an amount of rupees 3 to 54 lakhs 700 only as first installment from Digital India Land Reform Modernization Program, DIRFP. Coming to the matter in hand, it may be mentioned that the estimated receipt from the council owned is rupees 29 crore 38 lakhs 23,800 only, and from the share of revenue from the government is rupees 97 crore 50 lakhs only, while the receipt from the government grant is rupees 77 crore 74 lakhs 99,700 only. Thus, the proposed budget estimated from the ensuing financial year 2024-25 bears an estimated receipt of rupees 204 crore 60 lakh 23,500 rupees, as against the estimated expenditure of rupees 280 crore 22 lakh 60,300 only, thus reflecting a deficit of rupees 30 crore 59 lakh 36,800 only. To overcome the deficit, the State Committee has undertaken the following steps in order to augment the revenue received of the council. One, introducing the Jhadc Autonomous State Council, Village and Town Development Council, Bill 2023. The bill has been placed in the House during the winter session held on the 9th November 2023. The same is now being sent to the Honorable Governor for receiving his assent. Number two, creation of Village and Town Administration Department to look after the implementation of building bylaw, which will help in improving the financial stability of this country through its building permission, fees, and such like matters. Number three, through its Arts and Culture Department, to issue a public notification so that existing tourist spot and the stakeholder private enterprise persons who seek to open a new tourist spot shall obtain permission and no person from this state of Jhadc. New augmentation committee, which was created by notification number Jhadc 15 to 2023 to 1 dated 5/9/2023, to examine, determine, and propose all possible ways to identify the resources where revenue can be generated for improving the financial position of the country. Research the details of the project already assigned to the committee. It may be noted that the strength of force in the coming financial year has been reduced to 1,186 from 1,330, and in order to minimize expenditure, the proposed estimate on contingency expenses has been reduced to minimum extent. With great pleasure, I take this opportunity to apprise the body's House up to the years 2023 and submitted to the Principal Accountant General the position of the mission of annual account of the council is now up to date. Also, for an effective internal control mechanism in the council and to ensure compliance of rules, acts, procedures, policies, and the council by each of the departments, and to improve the efficiency in functioning and also to protect the council from occurrence of fraud, waste of resources, we have created an international audit section during the year 2024. The internal audit section has started functioning independently from September 2023. Further, the new regional office building of Jhadc have been completed and the same was inaugurated on the 5th December 2023. So during the current financial year 2023-24, the Council could implement 363 schemes from cash and Ktah, which include drinking well, water harvesting, water tank, drainage, check dam, fishery pond, ambulance, water canal, solar street light, school building, community hall, sanitation, public toilet, playground, footpath, washing platform, etc. in different localities of the Jhadc state. In conclusion, I would like to say that this executive committee is committed to lead its council in the right direction and to provide clear and effective administration to uplift the people of Jhadc state. Therefore, I appeal to all the honorable members to render good cooperation and work hard for securing smooth administration of the council and for bringing up peace, harmony, prosperity, and development in all spheres of both the district of Jhadc. Lastly, Mr. Chairman Sir, I would like to express my gratitude to you and all the honorable members of this House, officers and staff of our council, for the continuous support they have extended towards the executive committee for the last 5 years, at which the difficulties arising out of financial constraint. It is time for us to set aside all our differences and stand united